Well, hello again everybody, welcome back, and today we have a Haus Euro, so 5-penner, quite reasonable bitting on it, and all works quite nicely. So let's give it a go, get inside here and see what's inside there. So we'll begin at the front. Right, there was a click off one. There's a click on two. And we've got three. We've got a very slight false set. Try and get under four. We're getting some counter rotation. That doesn't seem to want to set. Right, we got a click, but we did lose the full set. Alright, we got it back. Just by moving the pick around. And trying to get on 5. And there we go. So, not a particularly difficult pick, but it feels like there's some smalls in there. Let's whip it open and have a look. Let's get this camera moved. There we go. And what do we have on the back? A springy clip. There we go, nice easy one. That's what I like to see. And pins are there. Looks like it should be okay. Grab a follower. And whoop, through we go. So there's the pins. So that should look like a smaller diameter to a standard pin. Let's I'll measure one once I've got them out. Let's see what we've got in here. All standards, standard and standard. So let's zero that. Yep, they are. I think normal pins are 115. Let's find a there we go, around about the 115. And these are actually 108. So they are smaller pin than standard, or the standard. Not that it makes any difference, but worthwhile knowing. So in one we have a spool. 2 we have a spool. 3 we have a standard. 4 we have a spool. And 5 we also have a spool. So 4 spools in there. Nice bright shiny springs. spools don't look too bad, actually reasonably deep, quite well formed, quite sharp on the that's focus. So I don't think there's anything else going on in here, so nothing in there. And nothing in there. So here we go, quick look at these. So all standards on the bottom, quite long key pins as well, and then we've got the 4 nice spools and a standard in the top. So there we go, Haus Euro, picked and gutted. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.